Okay, and next, see, your confidence level was good and your English was very good, means fluency was good. So that's why don't make the silly mistakes like in some answers, I feel like you were nervous or you were, hesitating in proving your points, or like, in a answer, you just left that, sorry, I won't be able to continue from this
Mm.
part. In
Yes,
the
yes,
car
yes,
question, I think,
yes,
toy
ma'am.
question.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah, yeah. So
yes.
don't do that because you have the skills. So utilize those skills. You can add anything. Then, ma'am, okay, if you want in 400, I cannot give you this car 400, but you can do one thing. I can give you two cars if you pay only two more hundred or three more hundred. Try to convince the people in any way you can. Your job is to
Mm-hmm.
sell that thing, but in a way
Mm.
that you also don't face the loss. So you have to adopt some measures. See, in the first question you did that, no, that take
Mm.
this one as a complimentary, take the radio as a complimentary. So in the next question also you can do that, that take this car as a complimentary. If you buy this remote control car, you will get that 200 card as a complimentary gift, and also a voucher we will be we will provide to
Okay.
you. So next time whenever you will visit our shop, you will get extra 20% discount on any of the product you buy. So these are some of the points, these are some of the magical points which you add in the sales question, no, then it will become very easy for you, and then the interviewer will also think that yes, she has the talent, she will be able to convince the people, she is the right person. Because whenever
Okay.
you will be in the job, you will find many people and your different mentalities people. They will try to, confuse you, they can ask you anything. Some people will be there, they will just say, they can lie to you that my child is already enrolling here, so why will I need. So in that case you can do this type of thing. So that's why you have to, you have to be something different when you answer some sales question. Okay, you cannot think simply because people are not that simple to,
Okay.
talk with them, because you have to be different and you have to be something
Oh.
logical and something extraordinary. Then only you'll be able to do the job very smoothly. Otherwise it's a very hectic job, and if you know, if you stop or if you start in between, then there will be no
Mm.
point. You will find that the job is becoming hectic day by day. Many people quit the job. Why? Because people think that it is very simple to convince people. I'll easily say that we will give you discount, we'll give you scholarship, and people will think, yes, yes, thank you so much for the scholarship, I'm ready to accept. No, you will not get this kind of people, my dear. So that's why you have to be something extraordinary. Your points have to be something that much of strong that people get very lesser chance to, do cross question or testing. So these are the things you should remember. And the thing which I felt was uh, there was a thing which I was felt in your interview that in some questions you were not giving me the chance to speak. Means in every means in maximum question I found, means when I keep on talking, or if I wanted to express something, in between you say no, or you don't let me to complete my sentence. That is a very bad point. Okay, they may cut marks in the interview. Always say, to be a good communicator, you have to speak good and you have to be a good listener. Good speaker and good listener combined can become a good communicator. Okay, so these are the
Okay.
very important things you need to remember. If you can speak well, if the other person is giving you respect, if the other person is listening to your points, then when the other person wants to express something or wants to speak something, you should give them a chance. Because I have found in many questions when I was saying that I want this, so you didn't allow me to complete my sentence. So I had to stop. So this makes a bit uneasy. Okay, sometimes it can make me feel very, bad that she is not letting me at least completing. Your main motive is to convince me. If you don't give me the chance to complete my sentence or to complete whatever I want to say, then it will create some confusion. Yes, then why will I
Yes.
trust you? Because the person is not letting me to speak on me. So why will I think, or why will I listen to you? So they will not listen.
Okay.
Apart from, only these are the things you should remember. And about the features, see, I was asking about the features of Byju's. What are the special features? I mean, there are something called USPs, right? Yes. Some
Yes, ma'am.
unique selling, unique selling point should be there. Otherwise, why will people trust you? So that USPs I was asking. Okay, whenever you will be in the job, you will be teach that there are some USPs. Every edtech companies have certain USPs that are special features. So in Byju's, we have adaptive learning. We have a library of questions. Yes, personalized learning, then interactive learning. So all these are features, not teachers, mentoring. Mentoring is a kind of feature, but mentoring is there in every other edtech. So you cannot consider it to be the special feature. If you say people that we have adaptive learning, people will at least think, oh, I have heard something different. Let's concentrate what is adaptive learning. In that way, it will become easy for you to grab their attention. Yes, you will get a chance to speak. And whenever, remember, in sales, whenever you get a chance to speak, then only you can show your talent. If people are not letting you, if people cut the phone, if you are unable to say, people will say, why will I take Byju's? I have extra marks, I have Vedantus. Then these features will work. You can ask. In the BDA question, you never ask that what are the features you were getting in extra marks. You just compared, or you were trying to say that no, extra marks is not giving tablet, extra marks is not providing this. You cannot say other edtechs are bad. You have to appreciate, oh, that is very nice. Your son is studying in extra marks, doing very good result. I'm so happy to hear that, ma'am. But just imagine your child has become better from good. So just imagine how you will feel when your child will become best from better. Don't you want to upgrade your child? So we will help you in doing that. So you cannot say that in extra marks, they don't provide tablet, we will provide tablet. So you cannot become a salesperson. Though you are a salesperson, you are an academic counselor, right? You are a business development executive or associate. So you cannot sound like a salesperson that we will provide a tablet, so take our course. Okay, you have to convince them in such a way that they find something interesting, or it seems like you are really an academic counselor and your main focus is to find out the problems the child is facing. Or if they don't have any problem, then you have to give some measures in which the child can upgrade or develop more, rather than finding the, rather than giving or accusing the other ethics. You can just only concentrate about the child. Child is the main lead for you, and parents will give you the money. So just think that and accordingly work and accordingly speak. So I hope it's clear. I have already shared the points which you need to remember, and I'm damn sure if you work on this, you'll be able to crack in the first attempt only, because I can see the confidence in you. I can see your smartness. I can see the way you have put in your efforts in convincing me. That was very good. Only the points which I added, you just add those points, and then I think you will be fabulous. Otherwise, you were good. You were really good, and I like your confidence level and everything. The way you answered, your fluency. So just keep it up, and all the